In this video, we are going to review how to write an artist statement. You will write your artist statement in a Google Doc. So this slide is about how to write an artist statement. And what is going to make your artist statement well written? This is the artist statement template. You don't have to complete every sentence frame that is here. My expectation is that you choose 2 sentences from each of the 4 categories, the 4 boxes on the table. You choose the ones that are more important for your project and what you want to tell your audience. The title bar across the top, replace your name with your name. Capitalize the letters of your first and last name. Replace project title with the title of your artwork. The title of your artwork is a proper noun. You need to capitalize it like a book title. It's important, so it should be capitalized. Box number 1, or category number 1, introduce your project. This is the introduction. I gave my artwork the title ... I choose this title because ... I created ... I was inspired by ... We learned about the artist named ... The artwork the artist made looked like ... You complete the sentence, at least 2 of them. Your introduction should tell us what is your title and why. What did you make or create? What were you inspired by? What was your idea? Who or what did we learn about in class? An artist? A type of art? A style? What did that thing we learned about look like? Describe what we saw with many words to make it juicy. That is your introduction. Category 2, how it was created. You tell us, how did you make your project? For this project, I used the program ... Initially, I used the tools ... I chose to use the colors ... Then I added ... At first, I was going to ... But then I changed my mind and ... I chose to make it like this because I was thinking about... I knew I was finished with my project when... So tell the audience what program we used. They weren't in class to know. List the tools that you used. You definitely used more than 1 tool. List as many tools as you can and tell what you used them to make. So you might have used the shape tool to make a design. You might have used shapes to make a face. You might have used fill color tool or custom color gradients to add color to your picture. What was your choice behind the different colors you used? Did you use any color schemes? Think about the hue wheel that we made. The pizza pie with the little squares. Your process, the steps that you took. What did you do first, then, and next? What was the last thing you did that made your project complete? This is box number 2, category number 2, how it was created. Pick at least 2 sentences to complete. Box number 3. Category number 3. Describe elements of art. Elements of art are line, color, shape, 2D, 3D, space, texture, how something feels, form. Maybe it is 3-dimensional, 2D, maybe it is flat. The strongest element of art in my project is, you pick one. What one is the most important? The one that stands out the most. Tell me why it's the most important. This is the most important element of art in my project because you finished the sentence. Other elements of art I notice in my project are, elements of art that I don't notice in my project are. So in your opinion, which one element is the most important? Describe how you see that in your picture. Most artwork uses multiple elements of art. Point out other elements that you see. Is there an element that you don't see in your artwork? This is category number 3. Box number 3. Describe elements of art in your project. This is category number 4. Your personal opinion and reflection. Something that was easy for me was, something I struggled with was, I learned something new. I learned how to, I like this project because, I dislike this project because, if I was to do this again, something I would do differently is. You need to choose at least 2 sentences to complete. So what was easy? What was something that you struggled with that was hard? What was the new skill, idea, or technique that we learned how to do for the project? In your opinion, what did you like? What didn't you like? If you could go back and do it again, what's something you'd try to do differently? This is category number 4, box number 4. You need to choose at least 2 sentences for this category. These are my do's. To make your writing complete, delete the triple dot. Replace it with your answer. Answer in a complete sentence with juicy details to explain. Tell me more. Your answer should end with punctuation, like a period at the end of the sentence or an exclamation mark. I know this is art, but this is a good opportunity to practice writing incomplete sentences. Don't skip your name and the title of your project at the top of the chart. Don't give a one-word title for your artwork. Don't leave the ... and answer with one word. Don't skip an entire category box when answering questions. You can do this. You are going to be a rock star at writing artist statements, but we just need to practice.